Hello students, this video is designed to help you set up your Quest 3 correction assignment. This is a summative assignment that will basically replace your original Quest. And so the way you set this up is you look at opening two things in the same window. The correction assignment, which you see here on the left, and my completed results for my Quest 3. For me, I had version A. Everybody has a different version. So question 1 I got right, 10 out of 10. So that means I lost 0 points. For question 2, I got 7.5 points right, but Delta Math doesn't do decimals well, so I'm going to just say I got 7 points right instead of 7.5. So here I'm going to say I lost 3. Round this down to 7. That makes this 3. The next one I got 10 points, so that means I lost 0 points. The next one I only got 4 points right, so that means I lost 6 points. You'll keep doing that for question 5. I got it wrong, so that means I lost 10 points. If there's a 0 here, a 10 here. The next few I got right, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So that would be 0 lost, 0 lost, 0 lost, 0 lost, etc. You're going to do this all the way through. Keep in mind, when you get down to the end, version A only goes to 23. 24, 25, 26, and 27 are skipped. Different versions skip different ones, so only record here the points that you got for these questions. So as I skip down, I'm not going to record anything for 27, 26, 25, and 24 because they don't show up here. But 23, I got 0 points, so I lost 10. 22, I got it all right, so I lost 0. So then, when I've got everything populated with no decimals, 3, 0, 6, 10, 0, 0, 0, 10, all the way down, everything's all done. Before I hit this initialize test correction, I have to fill in my test grade. Well, my test grade is the 230 points total minus all of these that I missed. So I'm going to add up all of these. 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 10 is 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79. So I don't put 79 in here, I put 230 minus 79. Well, I don't want to make a mistake, so I'm going to go to my calculator. 230 minus 79. 151 was my test score out of the 230 points I could have had. Then I will go down here and initialize test corrections. I'm going to show you what happens if you make a mistake. Let's say I added this up wrong and subtracted wrong, and I only got 150 instead of 151. I hit initialize test corrections. Your points are off and test score do not add up correctly. Okay, so I add them up again. This was really supposed to be 151. Now when I hit it, initialize test corrections, it sets it up. These are the types of questions that I missed. For this one, I'll have to get 3 right in a row to get my points back here. 5 right, 3 right, 3 right. If you miss one, then it adds another one for you to do, just to make sure that, like, by the time you're done, you've really mastered the content and you're ready for the final exam in this way, and you've earned that new test score. As you go, we'll just do one here really quick. Here's my question. My test was a 66. It says answer all the questions below about the function graph when x equals negative 6. Well, when x equals negative 6, the limit from the left side is going to be negative 2. the limit from the right side of -6 is also down here at -2. The limit as x approaches -6, well, since these both are -2, that's -2. And my function at -6, well, since there's a smooth curve, no gaps, my function is also -2. I submit my answer. Is this what you want? Yes, that's what I want. It gave me a check mark. 1 out of 3, so I'm 1/3 of the way done with this part. I'm 4% done, but this went up. I was at a 65 or 66, now I'm at a 67. Every time you get one of these right, your score builds. When you're all done, that's the score that will go in the gradebook for your test correction, which will be worth more than your original test. A great way to get studying for the finals and to improve your grade in the biggest category, the summative category. To get all your points immediately, this is due at the end of the night on Friday, so like at midnight. So that's really your deadline. Please hit that deadline, because that way it will allow me to put grades in over the weekend and on Monday for you to really see where you stand going into final exams. Good luck, and reach out to me if you have any questions.